Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to change your TikTok profile photo. So first open TikTok, and then at the bottom right corner, as you guys can see, the me symbol, click on it. I mean logo, not symbol, sorry. Then at the top you guys can see my profile picture, click on it. And then on my profile picture there's a pen icon. As you guys can see, right above share profile there's a pencil drawing a line icon, click on it. And then now I can choose whichever photo I want, so I'm gonna put this as my profile picture and then press and confirm. And now I can make it small or large, and basically the highlighted part is only gonna be displayed, the other part is not gonna be displayed. It's just like Facebook profile picture. So I want this as my profile picture, and I'm gonna click on save. It's saying uploading, and then it's saved, and boom, that's my new profile picture. So that's how you change your profile picture on TikTok. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and be sure to comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.